Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to C-Mom's Corner. My name is Cynthia. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing of my Ninja blender. I have always wanted to get this blender, guys, and finally I have it. And you know what? I want you to be part of the unboxing today. So we're going to unbox this for us all to see what is inside our Ninja blender, guys. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Okay, so I'm just going to tear this open. It's really exciting to be doing this finally. Okay, so this is just the manual. I have the covers here. This is like one of the, the blades for the blender. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this. Here we have some cups here. I think you can use this to make your smoothie, and then just use this to cover, and it makes it handy. You can take it along with you to the office or anywhere you're going to. Nice one. I have another cup here, and you can blend your smoothie or your juice in here. And the blender, guys. The blender is here. This is the blender. I love the Ninja blender because I've seen my friend use it and it crushes everything. Like, it makes it really smooth. That's why I decided to go for it. One thing I love about it is because it has 3 blades, like 1 step, 2 step, and 3. So 3 steps of the blade, making it easy to crush every single thing in the blender. Okay, and the size of the tank as well, it's really big. Okay. So this is the cover for the blender. So excited. Okay, so that's the cover for this blender. Okay, don't need this. Here comes the massive engine for the blender, guys. Okay. So here, with all the buttons, for blending, and the back of the engine. It's really nice. Okay. So, it has an extra food processor here, okay, for extra crushing of your vegetables and what have you. This is the reason I went for this one. That comes with the secondary blender or food processor. And we have another cup that you can use for your smoothie or juice, okay? And when you're done, you can cover it up and take it with you wherever you're going to. That's everything in the box. The box is empty, guys. So let's see what we have. This is the blender, guys. So the good thing is, if you want to open this, you just press this button and the handle comes up, okay? And then you can just pull it, like when you do it like this, you just pull it back and it goes down. So here, let's see. Wow! Blender is all set, guys. What do you think? It's beautiful. And the food processor, guys, here. And this is another one. So this is a complete set what we have in here. So what blade is this? Oh, so I think I have an extra blade for the food processor. This is a plastic blade, and this one is a stainless blade inside. So I think I can be able to switch to whatever blade I want to use depending on what I'm blending. Okay, I love that. I love that idea. And we have 3 cups here. So this one, if you need 3, and the cover as well. Here you go, guys. My blender, my Ninja blender has been unboxed. What do you think? I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Like, it's really exciting to know that, you know, it gives you that satisfaction that you have a reliable blender that can blend anything. Beans, wheat, whatever you have, you're really excited. You have that satisfaction and confidence that your blender got your back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's exciting to have one more addition to my kitchen, and I definitely love my Ninja blender. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching me on YouTube, please touch the red subscribe button below. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow so you can't miss any of my vlogs. Please give me a thumb up if you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video. Welcome to C Mom's Corner.